Right now, in 2026, millions of people, including kids, are unknowingly taking part in the largest food experiment in human history, without ever agreeing to it. Synthetic meat is already slipping into fast food, frozen meals, school lunches, meal kits, and grocery store staples. And most families have absolutely no idea it's happening. And here's the part that should terrify every parent watching this. By the time we learn the long-term effects of synthetic meat, it may already be too late to undo the damage. If you know someone who would freak out hearing this, especially a parent feeding their kids fast food multiple times a week, share this video with them. They deserve to know what's really going into their body. And before we go deeper, if you care about real meat, real farms, grass-fed beef, pasture-raised chicken, and the truth about where your food comes from in 2026, go to timbosfoodbox.com. I dig into everything big food tries to hide. All right, let's get into it. Synthetic meat is being marketed as futuristic, efficient, clean, and sustainable, until you hear the part the industry avoids talking about. Scientists still admit in 2026 that once synthetic meat enters the human body, they have no idea what it does next. No long-term safety studies, no multi-generational human trials, no understanding of how synthetic cells interact with the gut, bloodstream, or immune system. We are the test subjects, and so are our children. And the companies pushing synthetic meat aren't doing it for health or sustainability. They're doing it because synthetic protein is cheaper, easier to control, and most importantly, it's patentable. You can't patent a cow, but you can patent synthetic meat. That means whoever controls synthetic protein controls the future food supply. Now here's where the story gets darker in 2026. Small family farms are already struggling. They cannot compete with the cost of synthetic meat or the government incentives behind it. And when those farms go under, the land doesn't stay farmland. It doesn't stay green. It becomes condos, strip malls, warehouses, parking lots. Beautiful open pastures that once fed communities get bulldozed because synthetic meat doesn't need sunlight, soil, grass, or farmers. It needs labs, investors, and people who never question the label. And if you think synthetic meat stops at cost savings, think again. The same scientists who engineer the flavors in chips, snacks, and candy are now engineering the taste profiles of synthetic meat. Their goal is to create hyper-palatable flavors so addictive your brain lights up like a slot machine. If they can make a veggie burger bleed, if they can make fake chicken shred like real meat, how far away are we from fully printed ribeyes? Or worse, how much of it are we already eating without knowing? Here are the questions no one in 2026 can answer. What if synthetic meat triggers inflammation we can't detect yet? What if artificial flavors and binders create long-term weight gain? What if synthetic cells behave unpredictably once digested? What if new forms of food poisoning appear because synthetic meat isn't cooked the same way as real meat? What if big pharma benefits as chronic illness skyrockets? Combine synthetic cells plus addictive flavor science plus zero long-term data, and you get a perfect recipe for a nationwide health disaster. Meanwhile, real meat keeps getting more expensive, slowly turning beef and chicken into luxury items, the same way gas becomes a luxury as the world pushes us into electric cars, until the power goes out. And here's the truth corporate food doesn't want you to hear. They don't want you buying from local farms, regenerative ranchers, small co-ops, or real meat subscription companies. They want you buying synthetic because they can control everything about it. That's why supporting real meat matters more in 2026 than ever. Companies like ButcherBox, CrowdCow, Grassroots Farmers Co-op, Rep Provisions, US Wellness Meats are literally fighting for survival. If consumers stop buying real meat, those farms die and their land becomes concrete. If you want to protect your family, find clean sources of real meat, and save money on brands I personally trust, join my email cheat code newsletter. You get over 150 deals every month, and if it's not your thing, unsubscribe anytime. For deeper breakdowns, trusted meat sources, and everything big food doesn't want you to know in 2026, check out timbosfoodbox.com. Before you go, watch my video, Are We the Last Generation Eating Real Meat? It's the perfect follow-up to this one. And to keep the conversation going, we've lined up 2 popular videos recommended by our viewers. Click them now. If this video shook you even a little, share it, text it to someone, post the link. When you share, you help protect real food and real farms.